Let me show you how to create a USB drive that you can connect to your computer and easily remove or reset any Windows password or PIN for free. You will need a USB flash drive of at least 4 GB and an internet connection. Once you have that, then please come to Google and type Hirens BootCD and press enter. From there, you click on the first link, which is Hirens official website. Here, click on download and scroll down until you will find hbcdpe64.iso. Click on it and the download will begin. The file size is about 3 GB, so you have to wait a while. After the download is completed, go to Google again and type Rufus and press enter. Click on the first link, which is the official website of Rufus. Here, scroll down and select Rufus 4.5.exe or the latest version. After download is completed, run the Rufus application and quickly insert your USB flash drive. After that, you see that the USB flash drive has been detected. From there, click select and choose the Hirens Boot ISO that you downloaded. After, leave everything the way it is and click start. From there, this warning message of erasing all data on the flash drive will pop up. So please click OK if you have already backed up your data. So now the Hirens bootable USB is successfully created. So now I'll connect it to my laptop and boot it from the USB flash drive. Now, let's use this tool to remove your Windows logon password on Windows 10 or 11. As you can see, I have a logon password on this computer. So how do I remove it? First of all, I'll connect the Hirens bootable USB flash drive. I am using Dell laptop and the boot menu is F12. Yours might be different, so I provided some of the boot menu of the well-known manufacturers. You can find it in the description below. So after that, restart your computer and quickly tap on your boot menu key to display the boot menu screen. So after that is done, the boot menu screen will show up. I'll then select the USB flash drive and press enter. So as you can see, the files are loading and this will take some time. But finally, this will bring you to this desktop, which looks exactly like your Windows 11 desktop. From the desktop, I'll double click on Utilities, then go to Security, then Passwords. Here you can choose any, but let's use Windows Login Unlocker, which is very simple to use. So I will double click on it, and all the available user accounts will show up. Then I'll click User, which has the forgotten password. Right click on it and click Reset Password. Then OK. Now it says password resets. Again, click OK. So now let's restart the computer and see if the password has successfully been removed. Yes, you can see the password is removed. Now we can use our computer without any password restrictions. This Hirens bootable USB is extremely useful for fixing many computer issues such as blue screen errors, performing data recovery, repairing hard drive and solid state drives, and much more. I'll be making more videos on how to use Hirens bootable USB to your advantage. So if this is something you are interested in, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.